Okay, so it says to simplify the left side. Since there's only a cotangent in the end, should you combine these fractions? Yes or no? Right now, there's two things. I want to make one. So doing that, I'm going to get common denominators. So the first thing you got to look for, remember, is you're trying to find the exact same thing. And you just put it right underneath, which is right here. So, and then I just told you the first step is to get common denominators. So common denominators, you need sine on the left, cosine on the right, which I think is this crazy madness over here. Now, on the right side, you have sine squared, and then you have sine secant. So I think you want to jump to this one right here. Now it looks like they turned secant into 1 over cosine right here, which what should happen to the cosine and the 1 over cosine? They should cancel. So you're left with just 1 minus sine squared on top. Is that something familiar? 1 and a sine squared? It's one of those identities, one of those Pythagorean identities. That's the same thing as just cosine squared on top. With that being said, what happens to the 2 cosines on top and the 1 on bottom? They cancel. So you're left with just a cosine over sine, which what is the same thing as cosine over sine? Cotangent. And then we should have 7 cards left over.